You are going to love the 2017 Suburban. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights, fog lights. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, front, center, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.